Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to use M&S gift card online. If you'd like to redeem your gift card for Marks & Spencer online and you don't know how to do it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Soon after you do that, in the web address box at the top, type in www.marksandspencer.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of M&S or Marks & Spencer. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, in order to redeem or use your gift card online, you need to go ahead and make a purchase. Select any product that you'd like to purchase and add it on your shopping bag. Once you do that, click open your shopping bag located at the top right hand corner and click on check out. Choose your delivery method, type in your delivery address, choose the delivery options, and right where it says payment, you can choose your payment method that are displayed on the screen and place your order right away. But if you'd like to redeem or use your gift card for the particular purchase on Marks & Spencer, click on pay by gift card / reward voucher. Now enter the code that is available at the back of your gift card and finally click on the apply button in order to use your gift card online with Marks & Spencer. With this simple steps, you'll be able to go ahead and use your gift card for Marks & Spencer right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.